Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of the Moto Razr 2025 or the Razr 60 smartphone to see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. So here we go. So here is our Moto Razr 2025 or the Razr 60 smartphone. As you can see, it's not even switching on. Battery is totally dead, and we are going to use this another smartphone for the timer purpose. So let's start our test now. So after 24 seconds, 1%. And as you can see, it is charging with the turbo power because we are using a compatible charger for our Moto Razr 2025 or the Razr 60 here. So it's going to charge the battery at the maximum possible charging speed. So it's 5 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 12% after 5 minutes 10 seconds. So it's 10 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it is at 23% now. So after 10 minutes 17 seconds, 24%. You can see here that it is showing that the turbo power charger is connected with our Moto Razr 2025 here. So it is not showing the approximate time, that how much time it will take in charging the battery up to 100% from 25%. So it's 20 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. And it is at 39%. So it's 30 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. And now it's at 56%. So after 30 minutes, 56%. And now you can see that it is showing the approximate time to charge the battery fully. So it is showing 25 minutes, but usually it takes more than that because to compensate the heat, the battery charging speed sometimes reduces. But still, let's see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 57% to 100%. Right now, 57% after nearly 31 minutes. So it's 40 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it is at 72%. So it's 50 minutes now, and now the battery percentage is 88. And it is showing that it's going to take 7 minutes more in charging the battery from 88% to 100%. So it's 55 minutes now, and now the battery percentage is 94. After 57 minutes 30 seconds, 96%. So it's 1 hour now, and the battery percentage is 99. So it took exactly 1 hour, 1 minute, 15 seconds in charging the battery from 0% to 100% of our Moto Razr 2025 or the Razr 60 smartphone. And considering the fact that it comes with just 30 watt charging a 4500 mAh battery from 0% to 100% in 1 hour is quite nice for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.